My name's Alex Jenkin and I work as a project manager for the Gatsby Plant Science Education Programme. I run the schools side of that programme, so that involves developing teaching resources, supporting school science teachers and technicians to support them in their work, build their confidence working with plants, and that project's called Science and Plants for Schools. So I really enjoyed biology at school, but actually thought I was going to be specialise in biochemistry. And I remember sitting in my own A-level class saying, I hate plants, they're so boring, they don't even move. So I did not expect to end up in plant science. I did a degree in natural sciences at the University of Cambridge, and through that I learnt more about plants, and I realised that actually the point is they can't move and they have to deal with that situation. They've got loads of amazing strategies for dealing with that. So that's where my interest in plant science sparked, and I specialised in plants in my final year. And then after my degree I realised I didn't really like doing research. I didn't enjoy doing research. But what I really enjoyed was telling my friends about the things that I'd learned in lectures, and I enjoyed their reactions to that, and it was good fun. So I did a Masters in Science Communication. That was at Imperial College, and I did that for a year, and that involved studying different areas of science communication, a bit of theory and doing some practical work as well. And after my Masters, I got a job working for an organisation called Understanding Animal Research, and I was talking to school students about why we use animals in medical research and supporting and training lab technicians who work with animals and researchers who work with animals to go into schools and talk about why that's an important part of developing new medicines and that sort of thing. And after that, I moved to an organisation called Centre of the Cell, based at Queen Mary University, and I was a science presenter, and I developed and presented science shows and workshops for a whole range of students, right up from reception level right up to post-16 students. It was a really good, really fun job, really enjoyable, and we'd go out to schools and we'd do stuff on site as well. And then after that, I came to my current job, where I'm able to combine my experience of education and working with teachers and supporting teachers with my love of plant science. So it's a really good combination, and we work with a really nice top-down approach where we can work across the whole of the UK by building on those relationships that teachers have with their students and helping them to support their student learning of plant science. I think the most rewarding aspect of my job is knowing that we're having an impact. It's a real opportunity to spread that enthusiasm, and I think that's really enjoyable. It's a great moment when you see people look down a microscope, for example, and see something and say wow, or that is really rewarding.